I want to show you how to do the forward and the backward scan from start to finish to find the slack time, identify the critical path, and find the minimum completion time. The nodes here of the network represent the end of one task and the start of another task. In the forward scan, we record the earliest starting time of each task, and this value is written on the left-hand side of the node. The value always starts with 0. And now we add the duration of the task, which is denoted by these 3, 5, 3, all the green highlighted numbers. And so we add the duration of task A, and we have the earliest starting time of 3 for task C. And now we can add task C, which has a duration of 5 to 3, and that will be 8. This gives us the earliest starting time for task F. To find the earliest starting time for task G, we need to go back and have a look at task B and D. Task B takes 4, could be minutes, hours, days, so we put 4 here. Now, to get to task G, we need to find the duration from both sides, A, C, F or B, D. If we complete task D, it'll take us 4 plus 2, 6 minutes. So I'll just record this down below here, that's 6 minutes. But if I complete task F, then that will take me 8 plus 3, which is 11 minutes. So I'll just put it down here. Now the question is, which one of these shall we put as the earliest starting time? We will put the largest value, which is 11. To begin task H, we have 2 tasks which converge over here, and that is task G and also task E. So we must find out now what is the largest value. If we complete task G first, then our value will be 11 plus 4, which is going to be 15. And I'll note that down. If we complete task E, then our value will be 4 plus 3, which is 7. And so the largest value is 15. Now, there's only one task to finish, and that's task H, and we'll just add the 2 to 15, and that means we have finished the whole project in 17 minutes or hours or whatever you like. So going through the forward scan, we needed to use the largest value when 2 or more tasks converge on the same node. When we do the backward scan, we record the latest starting time. And this value is written on the right-hand side of each node. So we begin with 17. And now we work backwards, subtracting the duration of each task from the latest time. Here we subtract 2 from 17 to get 15. From 15, we subtract 4 because we're going backwards to get 11. From 11, going backwards task F, we subtract 3 and therefore we will get 8. To subtract task C, we subtract 5 and we end up with 3. Well, let's look at this node over here, which we haven't finished yet. It has 2 tasks coming towards it. There is task D and E. We need to decide now which value we're going to put in there. So if we start with D, 11 take away 2 will give us 9. And I'll just note this down above here. And if we start from here, then 15 take away 3 will give us a value of 12. Unlike going through the forward scan, this time we're going to take the smallest value, which is 9. And to finish the last node, we must decide to take the smallest value. Is it 3, take away 3 is 0, or 9, take away 4, which is going to give us 5. And of course we take the smallest value, so we end up with 0. Can you see that the minimum completion time is equal to 17 minutes or hours or days? And this was achieved through a critical path of A, C, F, G, H. So you notice both that the earliest starting time and the latest starting time in all of these nodes was exactly the same. Now you need to note that one of those nodes had a different earliest starting time and a different latest starting time. What does that mean? This means that task D can be delayed by 5 minutes. It does not need to start at 4. It can start at 9. And this is called slack time. So slack time for task D is 9, take away 4, which is 5. What about task E? Is there a slack time there too? Yes, of course there is. We don't have to start task E until 12 minutes because task E is only 3 minutes long. So I have a slack time of 12, take away 4, which is 8 minutes. And I hope that this explained question 5 in chapter 12 on page 342. If you thought it was useful, please give me a like and subscribe.